Good morning, everybody. This is Karen Marts from Hilton Head On, South Carolina. All right, guys, so today I'm wearing the Salty Dog sweatshirt. I used to run a Salty Dog t-shirt shop for 12 years. And then you're going to see on the ground we got the Parrot bag, Royal Parrot Trust. Hey, Freedom. And then look over here. I just want to show you this. So my upstairs neighbor, Connie, gave me this really cool alligator jewelry box. See, it's a gold alligator. Isn't it fun? Hi, Freedom. And then the duck decoys came from thrift stores. And then, look, Freedom has his own coasters and magnets. And then we have the Parrot. It's like almost like a metal basket. I don't even know where it's made. I can't remember if it was China or India or something like that. Really cool. I got this bird box years ago. Hey, Freedom. And, of course, we've got bald eagle photograph that was done by Susan Roberts, who's now retired photographer. Hey, Freedom. So what we're going to do is we're going to transfer Freedom. Hey, Freedom. So this is going to be a flight video. Right, Freedom? Okay, give me a second. And I just want to show you. That was Boo that I had for 19 years. He was a yellow-fronted Amazon. And Freedom is a Panama Amazon. So he has a little bit smaller yellow patch on top of his head. Hey, Freedom. And then look how fun. I got these from the Oasis Sanctuary out in Arizona, the frames. And then I just printed out pictures of Freedom and I. Look, it's got the toucans, like you're in the jungle with the sunset. And then this is Boo. All right, I know we got a glare. There's myself. Here I am. Hey, Freedom. All right, so Freedom, we're going to transfer. All right, Freedom, you ready? Here we go. Okay. I've got a little white perch in my hand. It's plastic. That's the only way I can get Freedom to fly across the room. Hey, Freedom. Okay, pretty boy. All right, Freedom, here we go. You ready? All right, let's do our flight. Come on. All right, here we go. All right, we don't want to miss the flight. All right, Freedom, come on. Here we go. Come on. Freedom, are you flying? He's like, not yet. All right, I'm trying to hold this phone. All right, Freedom, come on. Here we go. Here we go. Good boy. Good Parrot. Okay, Freedom, here's your cage. Here's your cage. Here, baby boy. You can do it. You can do it. Nope, no. Flying back. All right, great. All right, well, we'll sign off live. We got Freedom in flight, which is all that matters. I'm going to transfer. We got the air conditioning people coming, and they love Freedom. Yay. Freedom, do you want to say goodbye? Here's a pretty Parrot. Freedom. Good boy. So Freedom's a Panama Amazon. He's 22 years old. Hey, pretty Parrot. I love you, Freedom. I love my little parrot. Look at you, my little best bird. So sweet. Say I love my mom. Okay, we're signing off. Have a great day.